Hi, it's HardwareSet and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. First, go into the settings, the battery, and right here current mode, change to the battery saver. Also, you can use the ultra battery saver, but it will restrain the functions of your phone too much and I do not recommend it. Just use it when it's really needed. Then go into the display and brightness, use the dark mode, lower the brightness or use the automatic brightness. Right here refresh rate, select the default, and we can go also into the quick settings right here and disable every feature you don't need, for example a Wi-Fi, the location or a Bluetooth. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.